son of a whore and a Scotsman, dropped in the middle of a forgotten spot in the Caribbean by Providence, impoverished and squalor, grow up to be a hero and a scholar. The $10 founding father without a father got a lot farther by working a lot harder, by being a lot smarter, by being a self-starter. By 14, they placed him in charge of a trading charter.
And every day while slaves were being slaughtered and carted away across the waves, he struggled and kept his guard up. Inside he was longing for something to be a part of. The brother was ready to beg, steal, borrow, or barter.
And a hurricane came and devastation reigned. Our man saw his future dripping down the drain. Put a ransom to his temple, connected it to his brain. And you heard his voice proclaim a testament to his pain.
Well, the word got around, they said this kid is insane, man. Took a book collection just to send him to the mainland. Get your education, don't forget from whence you came. And the world's gonna know your name. What's your name, man?
Alexander Hamilton.
Woo!
My name is Alexander Hamilton. There's a million things I haven't done. Just you wait, just you wait.
He was to his father's spit, full of it, debt. Brand new 2 years later, see Alex and his mother bed, brand new half dead, sitting in their own sick, the scent thick.
Alex got better, but his mother went quick.
Moving with a cousin, the cousin committed suicide. Left him with nothing but ruined pride. Something new inside a voice saying,
Alex, you gotta fend for yourself.
Started retreating, reading every treatise on the shelf.
There would have been nothing left to do for someone less astute. He would have been dead or destitute without a sense of restitution. Started working for his late mother's landlord, trading sugar cane and growing all the things he can't afford. Every law, every book he could get his hands on. Writing on the future, see him now as he stands on the bow of a ship headed for a new land. In New York, you can't be a new man.
In New York, you can't be a new man. In New York, you can't just do that. In New York, you can't be a new man.
Just you wait.
Alexander Hamilton, waiting in the wings, moving never back down, never learn to take your time. Oh, Alexander Hamilton, America sings for you. Only know what you overcame, only know you wrote the game. The world will never be the same. Oh.
The ship is in the harbor now. See if you can start him. I know that he'll look recording up from the bottom. His enemies destroyed his breath. America forgot him.
We fought with him.
Me, I died for him.
Me, I trusted him.
Me, I love him.
And me, I'm the damn fool that shot him. Shot him.